starting our first moto of the day, week before Paula. Boys are grinding. We got a rain this morning, and the track is awesome today. Edges catch you, especially when the guy's getting tired. I guess there's a theory of riding gnarly tracks, but I always lean on the side of safety. You gotta make it to the race to win the race, you know? Track's getting gnarly, man. Good for Paula. Watch the video of last year's Paula. Haiden was hauling ass, but track was gnarly. Super dry, muddy ruts that dried hard. That is the gnarliest track conditions you can race. When it's muddy in the morning and then they leave it, let it bake all day, and they just water it. It's these slick, hard, crusty ruts. Oh man, talk about bike control. That's when you need bike skills. Old school era, like, I'll be honest, dude, I don't think that style could hold the candle to the new style of guys that are real technique flowy. Well, look at the old school guys that were hauling ass, but man, they were out of, they made so many mistakes, like just pinned, hauling ass. But I just think there's a new level. The new level is riding with finesse, fluid. The guy who makes the least amount of mistakes usually wins the race, you know? Pretty rare to see Jet make a mistake, and when he does, it's like, whoa, big deal, you know? And that was like every lap for the old pros. It's cool, be a part of it, see it all evolving, just need to keep Haiden going.
Yeah, my case.
No, you gotta just lean forward on the lip because it shoots you so off. You gotta like give it a sec. It's so dusty. Hudson he wouldn't jump it because it did have like where they bulldozed over that berm. Oh my god. That wasn't the turn though. I hit it from the actual turn. It's not even the turn!
Bro, I'm sunken sand all the way to that roller.
You see, the actual turn's where I actually hit it from. I hit it from the real turn.
Yeah, but then you hit a double from all the way back and hit it.
That was harder.
No, it wasn't, bro. I hit it from that roller.
Hit the berm that way and jump it.
That's how it was in ones and ones for you.
Yeah, it was. I jumped it.
No, you had a double and jumped into the berm, buddy, and had speed from back there.
I hit it from the turn to ass Haiden.
Hit it from that where I hit it.
On your bike?
And turn and hit that sand and go over that roller. And